I woke up, I stood up, looked outside and realized there's a war going on outside, no man is safe from. You can run, but when it's done, you gon' take one without preparation. The battle, the situation. Look around, this no longer the people's nation. We in the time of the dumb, feeding the blind. Will they divide and conquer us at the same time? Divine reasons to go to war in our mind. How about a war against war and take care of our own kind? A future we're going to work, don't cause pollution. Money don't define the land of the free. Be that land that was made for you and me. You see disparity between rich and poor. How you think that the gap between rich and poor should keep on getting bigger? Is there even common sense anymore? How we gonna survive? We don't know what we fighting for. What you fighting for? Feel the burn. If you believe in this alternative, you're yearning to feel the burn. What you fighting for? Feel the burn. If you believe in this alternative, you yearning to feel the burn. What you fighting for? Better yet, who fighting for you? Fighting for your right to party so you can live how you do. If how you living only a piece of the puzzle and the other pieces, government, we in trouble. Look at us.